Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a saved session. Once confirmed, open your system power settings so you can change shutdown behavior. You're starting with the key controls, power options on Windows or energy saver on Mac OS, because the system enforces auto shutdown here. Make sure you're on the active power plan and note any manufacturer utilities that override OS settings. Once done, we'll move into advanced options to disable scheduled and automatic shutdown triggers. Now focus on the complex middle. Change sleep and hibernate to never and inspect scheduled tasks that call shutdown. On Windows, open Task Scheduler and search for tasks with shutdown. EXE, on Mac OS, check launched and energy saver schedules. On Linux, inspect cron or systemd timers. Also disable wake timers and any vendor power management utilities, because they can reapply auto shutdown. Make sure changes are applied to the active profile. Once saved, verify there are no remaining scheduled entries. Finish by restarting and testing during the time the shutdown used to occur. Make sure the system stays on under the same conditions. If the machine still powers off, inspect BIOS/UEFI auto power off or thermal shutdown settings and confirm an uninterruptible power supply isn't signaling a shutdown. As a troubleshooting tip, enable system event logging or create a controlled script that logs shutdown requests. This tells you whether the OS, a scheduled job, or hardware is initiating the shutdown, so you know what to fix next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.